My name is Dean Dempsey. I finished my apprenticeship in wood manufacturing and finishing 5 years ago.
My name is Bob Kelly. I'm doing an apprenticeship in wood manufacturing and finishing.
My name is Ben Dempsey and I'm currently qualified in the wood manufacturing and finishing industry.
After leaving cert, I was in two minds. I was always practical minded, and I was always practical minded. Like, I didn't know whether I wanted to do something in sports or whether I wanted to go to university or what I wanted to do. Then it just popped into mind. I had this Indeed app. One of my cousins told me to download the Indeed app, and I was looking around, I was flicking through apprenticeships, and I saw timber, I saw carpentry.
Well, growing up, I always knew that I wanted to work in a trade. I tried construction on a building site, and I didn't like it, so I knew this was the kind of place for me. I just knew I wanted to do woodworking, and the best way of doing it was through an apprenticeship.
I wanted to do something in electrician or something like that. Then I saw timber, and I says I might try that because I was good at that timber work. And then I saw Rossleighan Furniture were looking for an apprentice, and went in there, sent a CV into Rossleighan Furniture into Robert, and went away from there.
Like for me, it wasn't like being a mechanic or anything like that, because you'll always be able to look at what you made. Like, you know, you can take a picture of what you made, and you can always stand back and say, Jesus, I made that, like, you know. And I suppose you have a lot of pride in your work.
I got in touch with my training advisor in LOETB, Offaly ETB, and that was Sandra Doyle. And I got talking to her, and she set me up with the whole details about wood manufacturing finishing and all the leaflets with it, and how many phases are involved, phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 4 on the job, 3 off the job, so the 3 off the job are in college.
The whole way throughout the 4 years of your apprenticeship, you're getting paid while you're working, and when you go to college too, you're getting your pay, and you're also getting money towards your accommodation or your travel allowance.
If you're practically minded and you want to do something practically, I think an apprenticeship is the way to go.
Well, if you want to travel, like, it's known worldwide really. You know, you get a little red book when you're finished, and you can bring it with you wherever you're going. And it's a great help no matter what job you're going for, that you have a qualification there.
When you get a certificate, you can go abroad, you go work in Australia, Canada, wherever it is.
The trade is recognised all over the world. Like, it'll get you places, and if you want to become a teacher or want to become anything, it opens up new doors for you.